I really, really like the flavour of that tomato salsa. I also like the flavour of the lamb. It's well spiced. For this stage of the competition, Melanie, I think that is really seriously clever stuff.
I'm so pleased and relieved.
The contestants have to invent and cook a dish from any of the ingredients in front of them, which include lamb, tomatoes, feta cheese, couscous, mushrooms, mint, spinach and watermelon.
What style of cook are you, Scott?
Quite rustic. I like just good ingredients, simply done.
Do you believe you're good enough to win this, Scott?
I think with a bit of help and a push in the right direction, I think I can do something, yeah.
Painter and decorator Scott is desperate to hang up his overalls.
I want to stop decorating. I want to be in the cooking industry. And once I get in the kitchen and cook more and more, I believe that I will just excel.
Why are you here?
This is what I do. I enjoy doing this. I love my cooking. I like seafood. I do a lot of scuba diving. I always have a good stock of my own seafood.
Wow.
And that's the sort of things I like.
Dorset-based Matt wants to involve his family in his cooking dream.
My family and I, we've made a lifestyle decision. At some point, we want to have our own business. Our dream would be to have a cafe. I like cooking Italian. I cook a lot of seafood. Something that blends the two of those well.
Ladies and gentlemen, you have only 10 minutes left.
Mel hopes her adventurous cooking style will make her stand out.
I'm not afraid to experiment. Sometimes that's perhaps my detriment, but hopefully it will show that I've got a lot of talent.
Tell me, why MasterChef?
I've reached that natural crossroads and this is time to follow my dream.
Painter and decorator Scott hopes to climb the culinary ladder with his Moroccan-style lamb and roasted vegetable couscous.
Your lamb's slightly overcooked. I love the sweetness of the vegetables inside the couscous. Well-seasoned lamb, well-cooked couscous. I think it's a good start.
Matt is showcasing his culinary skill by making fettuccine with a tomato and mushroom sauce.
Come in here, first round. Cut strips of perfectly fine pasta. Oh, it's well done.
Thanks.
Very impressive because your pasta is soft but yet got a crunch to it. I've got to say, Matt, I like it. I like it a lot. I like your intent.
Thanks.
Experimental cook Mel has made flatbread served with spicy lamb and tomato salsa.
I really, really like the flavour of that tomato salsa. I also like the flavour of the lamb. It's well spiced. For this stage of the competition, Melanie, I think that is really seriously clever stuff.
I'm so pleased and relieved.
Good flavours, good textures. It doesn't really get any better.
Thank you very much.
You know the rules. 3 of you are staying and 3 of you are going home. Melanie, you're cooking tomorrow. Well done. Ben, Lauren, sorry guys, you're leaving us. We only have 3 places. Matt, damn fine pasta. You're cooking tomorrow. Well done. Scott, or Becky. Sorry, Becky, you're leaving us. Congratulations, Scott.
Yay!
Yeah, cheers, right.
Oh, come on now!